What's up, guys? Welcome back. How to draw Mario jumping, so that with the fist in the air that he hits the box with, you know. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So his head is kind of turned away, so we've got like his nose and his eye and like one eye kind of hidden. Okay, so it's easiest to kind of start with his nose. I think center point of my page is about here, and the nose will be kind of below halfway on my page. So let's go for it. So we just go up and around. Maybe a little bit higher up. Okay, that's the kind of shape for his nose. And a big eye comes out from behind here, right? So it'll go like up and around this way. And the bottom part of his eye just sort of curves up and over here because it's kind of like on his cheek, you know, he's smiling. So it's got a little curvy line here at the end. So his iris, the blue part of his eye, curves around in here. From the bottom of his eye, curve a line, loop it all the way around. And then his big black pupil inside here. And it's a long sort of shape, an oval. And you can color inside that all black and leave a highlight if you want. You know, you could leave a little section that's just like white like that and color the rest black. Another way of doing a highlight is just adding some white paint on top of the black. Right, so his other eye, so we can just see a little bit behind here. Like so. And then the blue part of his eye. And then we can see a little bit of the black just here. Like so. So his eyebrows, so we can see all of this one. So just on this side, say, starting here, right, curve around his eye like that. And the curve for the other one would be here, like so. And you can thicken them up. Curve them back this way and down. And you can make them hairy if you want. In the movie, they're kind of hairier than the video game. And then this one will go up underneath his hat. So it goes like back under the hat there. So you can't see all of it. His mustache, hairy mustache, just comes around this way. And we will do it kind of furry or hairy like in the movie, bumping around. Like so. If you want, you can put some little texture lines on it. Like that. So then the shape for his face, just up here at the mustache, curves around, big round face, right? And on this side, so it goes all the way up around, but it comes up to his sideburn, just up here, right? And his ear. So let's say it goes down this way. Like so. And we can put some hair texture lines in there. And then his ear sticks out here. And the best sort of way to do an ear is just like this letter J sort of shape. And if you want, you can add a couple more lines. So the side of his face keeps going up beside his eyebrow, just here. And then it disappears under his hat line, right? So his hat line will go across his face and across his eyebrow here, down to his ear. And his cheek might go a bit further there. So his hat, the peak of his hat kind of sticks out this way, right? Goes around. And then down this way. And it kind of has stitching and goes into his head somewhere here. And then it has like an edge line, like a rim. Comes around to there. Then the back of the hat and the top, the big round sort of part, comes down this way. We could have like another little bit of the cap here. Some stitching lines there. And then we just have the M, so it's in a white circle just up here. Goes behind his top of his hat there. And then the M itself, this spiky capital letter M. And to put somewhere to color, you do the underneath as well. And I think that's got like an edge line just coming around here as well. Like so. Okay, so we've got like a fist on this side and a hand up the top of his head here as well, right? So we'll do the side body one here first, I think. So the edge of his glove goes this way, right? And then it goes around here. So then the side of the hand comes up this way and across. And then we meet all his fingers, right? So we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Each of these would be a finger. So the first one's the pinky, comes down that way, around like so. And then the next one down, ring finger, his middle finger, and the thumb covers this finger, right? So you got the thumb section here. So the index finger would just be there. And you might see some of his hand there and some stitching lines on the edge of the glove. Maybe on this side as well. So then his arm, you come all the way down here and meet his like belly and stuff just there. So then his dungarees. So the clips come out from around his face and we got a button here with a edge line on the inside. And then the other one comes out from underneath his cheek here. And we got another button. And an edge line going around like that. And then the top of that dungarees line will be just here. And it'll go around his arm somewhere here. So his other fist is just here, right? So it'll go this way, like a letter L, just here. This is his first finger, his index finger. And then we have his middle finger, then the ring finger, and they're all like the letter L's, just joining together. And his little finger here. And this kind of bumps around here. Goes back to the back of his glove, which goes around like so. And then up around to there. And this could have like some glove lines that go back that way. And then the round end of his glove just here. Oh yeah, and his thumb. We can see his thumb just here. Curving out there, and a glove line on the side. So his arm comes back this way. And then back to his shoulder. Like so. We can see a little bit of his neck there. And I think some more sort of hair at the back. And then some more clothing lines, so some more sort of folds on his arms and the side of his dungarees, his denim thing that he wears, and this will have some stitching on the edge. And then I think there's like some fold lines just where it touches the buttons, and a square pocket sort of just coming across his belly here. And this will have some edge stitching to it. Like so. And maybe another line here for his shoulder. And I think we can see a little bit of his hair just sticking out from underneath his hat or his sideburn, you know, on the other side of his head, sort of over here. But that's it. That's how to draw Mario jumping. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.